Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to import Excel and text files in Microsoft Access. This is an incredibly useful skill when you need to bring external data into your database, whether it's spreadsheets from colleagues or data exports from other systems. Let's walk through the process step by step. Start by opening your Microsoft Access app and loading into your database. Once you have Access open, make sure you're in the specific database where you want to import your files. This is important because the imported data will become part of whichever database you currently have open, so double check you're in the right place before proceeding. Once the software has loaded along with your data, we can begin the import process. Look toward the top part of your screen and click on the External Data tab. This tab is your gateway to bringing in data from various sources outside of Access. When you click on it, you'll see a ribbon menu appear with different options for working with external information. From the ribbon menu that appears, look for the New Data Source option and click on it. This is where Access organizes all the different ways you can bring data into your database. The menu will expand, presenting you with several choices for importing files. These options are grouped by the type of source you're importing from, making it easier to find exactly what you need. Now hover your cursor over the From File option, the menu will expand again, and here's where you'll see your import choices. From this expanded menu, you can choose to import either a Microsoft Excel file or a text file from the list that appears. These are two of the most common file types people need to bring into Access, so Microsoft has made them easy to access. Click on either of the two options presented, depending on which type of file you want to import. A Get External Data window will open up. This window is where you'll specify exactly which file you want to bring into your database and how you want Access to handle it. In the Get External Data window, click on Browse. This will open a File Explorer window, allowing you to navigate through your computer's folders and drives. Take your time to locate the exact Excel or text file you want to import. Once you've found your file, simply click on Open to add your Excel or text file to Microsoft Access. The file path will now appear in the Get External Data window, confirming which file you've selected. Once the file directory has been selected and you can see the correct file path displayed, click on OK. Access will now process your file and guide you through any additional import steps specific to your file type, such as selecting which worksheet to import from an Excel file or defining how text data is delimited. And that's it. You've successfully imported your external files into Microsoft Access, making that data available for queries, reports, and forms within your database. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.